Welcome everyone. Today we are learning one of the most important cost accounting topics, joint cost allocation. We will cover what joint costs are, why companies need to allocate them, and what the constant gross margin NRV method actually does. By the end of this lesson, you will understand when and how to use this method with full confidence. So why do we use this method? The constant gross margin NRV method ensures that all joint products end up with the same gross margin percentage. That makes companies easier, prevents misleading profitability, and creates consistency across products. It is especially useful when products are processed even further after the split-off point. This method is most appropriate when products have additional separable processing costs after the split-off point. The selling prices differ significantly, and the management wants all products to reflect the same gross margin percentage. If your products meet these conditions, this method is usually the best choice. Let's look at an example. We will use brand new numbers, so it's not copied from any textbook. We have one raw material that produces two products, product A and product B, after the split-off point. Here's the data we will work with. Product A, 3,000 kilograms, selling at $20 per kilogram. Product B, 2,000 liters, selling at $35 per liter. Separable costs are $6,000 for product A and $7,500 for product B. And the total joint cost before the split-off point is $15,000. Step 1 is to calculate the overall gross margin percentage. First, we compute total sales. 3,000 kilograms times $20 equals 60,000. And 2,000 liters times $35 equals 70,000. Total sales are $130,000. Then we subtract all costs, the joint costs plus the separable costs, to get the total gross profit. Finally, we divide gross profit by total sales. This gives us the overall gross margin percentage, which we will apply to both products. For each product, we calculate the total cost it should have to achieve the same gross margin percentage. The formula is simple. Total cost equals sales times 1 minus the gross margin percentage. This ensures both products end up with equal profitability, no matter how different their selling prices are. Step 3. We now subtract the separable costs from the total allowable cost to determine how much joint cost each product should absorb. This step gives us the final joint cost allocation. When we add both allocated amounts, they will match the original joint cost of $15,000. This is the constant gross margin NRV method. To recap, it creates consistent profit margin across products. It is extremely useful when products require further processing, and it gives managers a much clearer picture of true profitability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.